Hey, it's Anna with Real Mom Homeschooling, and today I want to talk to you about this book, Trees by National Geographic Kids. So I really like this book just because I felt like, especially for a kid, like my young kids enjoyed it. You know, they're 3 and 6, but I felt like for an older kid, it would just give them so much information. And I just really enjoyed the pictures. I felt like the information was interesting, but not too technical, which I really liked. And I felt like they gave you a lot to read through. And so like this one is talking about the difference between conifer leaves, which are like the pine needles that you see that you typically think of for like a Christmas tree. And then you have the broadleaf leaves, and the different shapes that those come in. And so this is a really great field guide, especially for kids. I've already shown you two different ones, ones of trees of North America, and then ones that you can get specifically by your state. But this is just kind of a general one, but one specifically geared towards kids. I would say kind of like younger than high school is, I feel like this is kind of what it's geared towards. And so I like this, that it's small, it would be easy to stick in a backpack, and then you can kind of take it wherever you go. It also covers like a lot of the typical trees that you'll see. Let me find one here that I think people will be familiar with. So like maple trees. So it has a whole page about maples, and it shows kind of the leaf size relative to the hand. And then it also shows like the seeds and fruit or the seeds and flowers that you'll find on the tree, and then gives a little description about what to look for as far as size and things like that, but then just gives you some like interesting tidbits, like talking about how sometimes mosses and ferns grow right on its trunk and different things like that. So I really like this one for kids. I feel like it's a little more engaging than a typical field guide would be. So this paired along really nicely for the tree unit study that my boys and I have done. So if you haven't seen the tree unit study, it's on my website. So click the link below and you can find it there. Also, I have this linked in the description as well. So it's a really good guide. This would be really handy to have. It doesn't have as many trees as the other two field guides that I talked about in my videos. So it doesn't have as much, as many different trees in here. But it has a lot of really good information. So especially if your kid is going to be doing like a little research paper, or just learning some of those things like I showed you with the leaves, learning some of those basic things, this is a really awesome guide to have on hand. So check out my tree unit study and check out my other videos about field guides, and then some fun fiction books that I've done too. So, and also if you could give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more of my videos, I'd really appreciate it. So until we meet again, have an awesome day.